So the left hand is now going to be responsible for the chords. I'm going to go back to a root position A. Left hand is going to use good voice leading. Like always, that voice leading is a non-negotiable, okay? Now look what the right hand's going to do. Time in like Adele's music, a lot of arpeggiated piano playing. So if I add the drums, what I'm doing for arpeggio is I'm just literally root, I'm reaching up to the top note, playing the middle note, back up. And notice I'm using bottom note, top note, middle note rather than root, fifth, third, because when I go to an inversion, I'm going to use the same pattern. Bottom, top, middle, top, bottom, top, middle, top, bottom, top, middle, top, bottom, top, middle, top. Right? So bottom, top, middle, top. That's our arpeggio.